What's up, Amazon KDP sellers? Ike Paz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create activity books within the science workbook market using AI. You want to watch this video until the very end, and if you want to help out, please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Okay, let's get right to it. So here I am inside of Bose Pause. Before I get into the software tool on how to create a science-based workbook, or better yet, an activity book, because there's not only a higher demand, higher perceived value, that means you can charge more for a smaller book, for a book with less pages, and all because it has a cohesive story, it has different elements just besides the science-based questions and problems that you're giving the user of the book, the reader of the book, I should say. Not only that, you have all these different elements that gives your science-based activity book a higher perceived value. Okay, so first off, you want to make sure the market's ripe. By the way, anyone who's watching this video, you can get this keyword tool and these other software tools. All these tools right here, plus this one here, Tool Shelf, has a bunch of other software tools. All of them are designed to help you earn on Amazon KDP and other printable sites as well. So you want to make sure you get access down below. I have a link to it down below. Get access to it and use it anytime, no restrictions. Other platforms, we're going to charge you an arm and a leg or a monthly subscription. This you get at zero cost. Anyways, so here we are in the Rika workbook created, but I want to show you the keywords here. Okay, now this is just the market as a whole. Okay, and I wouldn't go after just the word science activity book. I would niche down. Right, there's many subjects and topics around science. Right, like biology and stuff like that. Right, so I wouldn't go after this exact keyword. I might have this keyword within my niche. I might have biology science activity book for grades 3 and 4, for example. Right, you want to niche down. That's the point. But I just want to show you as a whole, this market is huge. Okay, here I am on KDP Keyword Finder. Again, this tool is 100% free. Get it down below. You can go down here and see all the different niches. And if you need to validate this with Amazon, definitely do that. As you can see, here I am, science activity book. This has over 40,000 results. Now, of course, this keyword term science activity book is way too short, but I just want to show you how big the market is, right? People wouldn't be selling all these books if it was a small market, right? This is a huge market. Okay, so this, as you can see, all of these science-based activity books, look at the ones at the top. They got many reviews, some of them thousands of reviews, and you can definitely get in this very easily with the Rika Story Elite Kai mode. Okay, so now that I show you the opportunity here, let me show you what you can do really quickly with the Rika tool. Okay, so you're on Bose Pause. You scroll down to you scroll down to Rika right here. See, Rika. Okay, Rika means science in Japanese. You click Launch App. Okay, here you are. Now, of course, just Rika by itself is an amazing tool because you can just create workbooks like that. But as you can see here, with the story mode that I have selected, you can ask the AI to give you an idea for your book, which is really cool. And it's going to do everything for you. It's going to create a cohesive story. It's going to create coloring book elements on top of the science problems that you're giving your audience. Okay, now you can create a short book, a medium book, or a long book. We're going to go with long. Okay, include coloring pages. Let me see. You can have the activity book. You can have different types of activities in there. Okay, if you want, or AI picks. AI picks is if you choose nothing. Okay, now you can also change the trim size. Let's say you want a more square type for kids, 8.5 by 8.5. That's another option. And here we have 8.5 by 11. Okay, so let's click generate and build a book. Okay, it's going to create a book for us. So this takes a little bit of time. So what I urge you to do is to leave your computer on, keep it on, maybe with your power plug, keep it on, and let it do its thing in the background. Okay, you go off and make yourself a cup of coffee or a nice sandwich and come back, and your book will be done. With that being said, I'm going to pause this right here, and I'll be right back once it's done. Okay, so here we are. The book is complete. And I want to give you the idea first, a plot that the AI came up with. So here we have an intergalactic science safari where many scientists travel from planet to planet solving cosmic puzzles to unlock the secrets of the universe. Really cool. Okay, and what do we got? By the way, this took about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay. Welcome, little explorer. I'm Captain Nova. Are you ready for intergalactic science safari? Put on your helmet and let's go. And here we have the coloring book image, and then we have now we have the story continues, a cohesive story with consistent characters, and we have the science problems, and then it goes off to the next part of the story with the coloring page, and then the science problems and so forth. Okay, which is really really cool. An activity book, an actual activity book, and this goes on for this is how many pages is this? 23 pages, right? Very cool. Plus the solutions that come at the end. Let me download this. You have a choice to download as PNG if you want to do some more editing on sites like Canva, SVG. I recommend that. These are higher quality images, 300 DPI. Single PDF, my personal favorite. I just want to get the work out there, published as soon as possible, earning for me. And single PPTX, that's for you PowerPoint people out there. I don't use PowerPoint at all, but I know that a lot of you do. A lot of you printable and KDP sellers out there do. So there you go. So let's go single PDF, and it's getting our pages processed. Oh, I forgot to add it. But what I recommend adding, and I'll do it here. I'll do it here for you. I'll do it right here. But first, I want to show you this. Okay. Okay, so here's the book, and that's it. That's your activity book. Okay. Also, don't forget, what I forgot to do is you want to add your copyright instructional. It's very simple. First, you click on instructional, click plus, and it has the instructional for you. And if you want to copyright, you click copyright, which I recommend you do. And then you type in the name of your book, Ike's Science Workbook. Okay, make sure, I know I repeat myself like a broken, but it's super important that your book cover, your listing title, and the title in your copyright is all the same. Click OK. And I got a question for you. Without giving the full name, who was your favorite teacher in school? Okay. Mine was, I'm not gonna give his first name, of course. It was Old Dale Scott. Okay, Old Dale Scott. He was a really good teacher. He taught me a lot, and it was fun to listen to him in class. Those are really important, right? Those teachers. By the way, this is the only way I know that you watch till the end. It's really important to have those teachers in your life where they made learning something new, engaging, and fun, right? Because you also have those boring teachers out there that kill the joy of learning something new. I know you've experienced this. I have. Anyways, but by the way, if you've had only good teachers, let me know down below as well. I could be wrong. We maybe just had nothing but good teachers, right? Maybe you're homeschooled and your parents taught you, and they're loving and caring, and because of that, your teachers were amazing all the time, 24/7, which is cool. I didn't experience that, right? I had great teachers, but I also had some teachers that were less than great. Anyways, let me know if you watched till the end. Let me know who your favorite teacher. Don't give me their full name. I just want their last name, right? Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That little action goes a long way for us. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, ciao.